This is furniture, redefining assembly. How? Let's take it apart. It's almost too easy. No tools, no effort, just a few pushes, and it's completely apart. The secret? It lies in our own interlocking system, locked in place the moment it clicks. We engineered a tapered fit and internal locking barbs. They grip tight and spread stress to prevent cracks. Every connection locks firm, so the furniture stays steady and solid. Inside, flexible arms balance the force, so every assembly feels smooth and precise, easy for anyone. Then we went further. We built connectors directly into the panels. A triple-step locking design works with standard production lines. No costly upgrades, no added expense. Each panel leaves the factory with connectors precisely in place. Hear that click? It's locked. This is a new way to build furniture. Easier. Faster. Made a mistake? Pull it apart and snap it back effortlessly. But is it reliable? Let the results speak. After 50 full cycles of assembly and disassembly, under extreme heat and cold conditions, maximum tensile strength of the connectors. The connectors prove tough, keeping every piece of furniture rock solid. No tools, no doubt. Toolless furniture. And they're all toolless furniture.